كيف فهم؟ ها؟ ايه يا شكر فوتو.
The match is about to begin.
Countdown. Rafan, India.
Oh my
Ay,
god.
Karasus. Fite para. Sividi chang nuk Karasus. Kisab nuruk kara.
Are you guys want to be in?
What's that?
No.
No, we're not gonna do it. Repeat ammo.
You guys are what?
We're Castellanians.
Oh.
No, we're Chickies.
Oh. Kefe, alright. Kefe tayo can cold and strippers. There's a couple songs I like in Chukis, bro. Are just pretty good.
Mark.
That's good, that's good. I don't know. You like Chucky songs too?
Yeah, you want me to play one, bro? What you talking about, bro? Yeah, let's go over there. Fuck it.
Where are we going?
Okay.
There's a lot of people on our left side.
Yep,
Copy that left side.
On our west side?
There's he die. Alright, I'm sending drones.
John?
Alright, he's here. Another one right here. Two, only two over there.
Okay.
Only two.
Pushing.
Copy that.
Where's your drone?
One is marked. The bounty is marked. The other is, the rest is over there on top. Watch out. They're recruit. Now it's four of them. Coming in with you.
move.
I'm moving in.
Oh, landing. Oh, what landing? Shit.
Mm.
Got one right here.
Damn.
No way.
Hey, damn. One more. Oh, he died. You're okay.
Oh, the two fools that I killed, they came back over there, motherfuckers.
This is the motherfucker that we kill is going back over there. That's sad. Now let's spy our teammate, cause I don't know the feeling of wanna come back. Oh, one is on top.
Somebody landing in. Somebody landing in.
Hey, right here. Fuck, that's the last guy or something? Coming in right now.
Hey, what's Hallo Tauti City. Damn.
That's a good warm up. That's a good warm up.
Mm-hmm.
I got a new match.
Back out nyari. Yung upload siya.
Damn, there's a nice war we got going on over there. Damn, who? What do you say? Researching. That guy requests for researching. No, that guy requests. Yeah, you can put research. Start in. Bro, I got all this shit already. Flexel is. Man, they're making money out of these emojis.
Oh, they're making money off the game. What are you talking about?
Hello, it.
What's the emoji?
Put what's that shit called?
That shit was really fire.
God. Gotta get it by any means necessary, right?
Damn, they're loading already.
Prick! That's a good setup.
Down one. Behind the loading.
This? What the fuck?
Go back up.
Damn.
Ah, that was it.
It was too crowded. We're doing great. Why you laugh?
Why are partner quiet?
Yeah, my mic. I don't know what the fuck going on with it, bro. I think because you have 0 kills.
No, doesn't matter.
That's what I'm saying. It doesn't matter,
We all
bro.
get 0 kills.
That's what I'm saying. Look at him. He's searching. You want to play solo now.
No, sir. He's a
He's
loner.
searching for a match right now, bro.
You wanna invite him or invite your other friend? That
I invite both of them already. Let's see. If Tom joined and that guy joined, you kick that guy that just left. Cause Tom left already. I'm hungry. I need to eat some tuna. Cause you know,
Luna.
have you ever seen Popeye the Sailor Man? When he eats spinach and he becomes strong. When I eat tuna, I became strong, bro.
You know, you like to eat tuna in the can?
No, there's certain ones, like I don't eat all of them. Like there's certain.
No, but I'm saying you comparing yourself to Popeye, because Popeye is the friend that spinach in the can and this, but you like
Yeah, I
to
eat
eat
the
tuna in the can.
green lemon oil, olive oil on it. Salty olive oil, lemon. But I like the regular tuna, like the fish, bro. That's what I do in Gashai, bro. I spear fishing. Bro, can you even hold your break for 5 minutes, bro? What you talking about? Can you even go 300 feet down? I'm a real islander. I ain't just an islander that just, no, we go fast food. Hey, he's here already. What are we waiting for? Oh, you guys making guns? I'm making my guns too.
Oh, you making can?
No, you can start it.
I was sure I was.
I'm feeling hungry.
And this guy talk about tuna now. My brain is malfunctioning. Hey, what was your friend's name? That's him? Hello, Travis Whitty. Hey, you and uncle. Is it your uncle? I don't know. Ay, yeah. Ay, sekarang. Ay, naik. Gua aku mau tetap.
Chop shata.
Monday.
This song's hard, bro.
And the Hornets beat the Lakers.
That's crazy. Okay.
Okay, where we going?
To Jerusalem. Stronghold.
Stronghold?
Yep. Thanks, thanks.
Oh, it's for hunter. Fucking thing. I'm coming down. Good.
When he's on top, coming down.
Oh, this guy unloaded already. What the hell? Nice.
Oh shit.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, my head steady.
Yo, let's go reload.
Oh, finally. Where you wanna go? Oh, nothing again.
Hell yeah, we're gonna come here again.
Yeah. Round of like like a pussy.
Hey, can you guys think where they at?
I'm holding their loadout up here.
Where the FPA and below you?
They're not
Down
getting
one, down
their
one.
loadout.
I'm coming down now, man. I got 1 second.
Bro, that was like... Can I not jump up here? What the fuck?
Oh, what the fuck?
Two of them now.
Alright.
Yeah, hold there, loading.
Ah, fuck. I ran out
Oh,
of
they
bullets.
got you?
Yeah, I ran out of bullets. I ran out of bullets.
Let's go to loading.
Watch out, there's people shooting. Shooting.
Go on, load out.
In here.
There's a shadow here.
What the freak?
This is your wrist.
Oh, two.
What the fuck down, buddy?
On top. Go down.
Yeah, they're on the roof.
Ah, I guess wanna hold down this spot.
Up to you guys,
Yeah. We gotta relocate. Yeah.
Nice, good, good.
Those guys are
Right up and
jumping.
Start moving. Start this step.
Fuck out of here, bitch!
Just gonna hold him down. Oh shit!
What you gonna do, huh? What you gonna do? You suck.
You suck, bro. That's right, bitch.
Gonna
Is
do,
the
huh?
name of the guy that said that we suck?
Why you running, huh? You a bitch. Why you run, bitch? So.
I played that smart too. You know what I mean?
Damn, bro. That motherfucker pissed me off. Sit the fuck down trying to shoot her.
Got you. Got you. Got you. Get him.
Hey, sorry, my brother.
Oh.
People here. He down. One left.
You need shield.
Oh, fuck!
Armor shotgun again.
Buy me, bro. Oh,
Buy?
shit. Buy me, bro. Both of us.
Oh my god. Hey, dude, I lagged out there, bro. I lagged it there, man. My bad.
No, it's all good.
You guys, where you at? From stateside?
The fuck this guy that gets jumped like a frog?
Yo, Sim.
Oh, shit. I'm sorry. Oh, I got a lot of money. Oh, no. Oh, no. Yeah, that's how we
One
roll,
more.
bro.
You left one, man.
Oh, shit. Hey, why you didn't say shit, bro? That's gonna be killed. I'm gonna be dead.
I did. I just said.
Alright, here we go. We'll go back to the real world, bro.
Chopper.
He's on the water or something.
There.
What the? That's crazy.
Close one.
Yeah, I ain't got no time. Hey, come on, I ain't got no time. How about you, Ibuchi, bro? That's a good fight. Okay. Chet, what do you think about it, bro? I need to post the team that I wipe.
Team down that stronghold, bro. That guy really said that we suck when we fucking shit on them.
He said, fuck you, bro. You suck as fuck. Oh, good man.
You guys turn on your proximity chats?
Yeah. I love hearing
Sure, it's
them,
gonna
bro.
get banned.
So we know how to glitch it out.
Get chat banned.
Man, I was so mad, bro. Oh, bro, he's behind you. Bro, fuck. Fuck. They were arguing at the same time. They're trying to fight us, bro. That's why they fucked up.
Clean up, clean up.
Where? You guys see this.
Shit. Let's go stronghold.
Like, let's see down here. Okay. Oh, no, that's another team.
Where are they?
On the top.
Fuck you.
Skylight behind them. Hey, yo. Yo, there's people here.
Oh! Damn, whole team!
No.
Whole team of Turtle Ninja over there. on, shooter. Ah! Go there, kasi kaya I shooter right now.
Yeah, one of shooter.
Right away. Si Wiga klik check na yun. Anong ngara? Aparo relative pusher.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Come down, come down. Get down, yeah.
Fuck, there's people here too.
Good. There's only one, there's only one. Watch the Terminator.
You're the last one standing, soldier. Survive until you
He's on the boat.
Terminator apa nih?
Yeah. Let me check, let me check, let me check.
tank turret online. All bounty targets destroyed.
Kamu,
We clear, we clear.
pusat.
Damn, tem guy agora. What, Lodi's not here?
It's clear for now. Come down.
The guy to your
we'll
right.
hold it.
To your right, to your right. There's a guy to your right. Guy.
There's people on the ship, so watch out.
Down.
25 are still active in the AR.
Oh, unloading. God damn.
Get lag, bro. I was killed that.
Damn.
Oh, this guy is hardcore.
Huh?
He knows every. The one who's named Supery.
My bad, yo.
Damn.
Coming in right now. Oh, wow. I'm coming up right now. One down. One left, one left. Yeah. Hey, right there. One left. Right there. One pin. You're running around, scare us a lot of fuck. Hey, I need to make that MW3 gun.
Watch out. Fuck.
About to end. Make it count.
Fucking shout that shot from the side. Watch out to get some deep.
Oh shit!
Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done.
What? You shot?
Ay, people are rushing.
Why, Austin?
UAV overhead. Fire Falco. Conducting crisis.
Waarom er al gekeken? Wat doet het gedaan?
Shit out, dude.
Brad, is het uit? Is het? Moet je wat erin daar? Goed zo. Aber das ist ja Nuller. Oh fuck, they took my gun.
Whole team on top.
Oh, in front of us, in front of us. Oh. Ay. Taking right and shooting. Oh, fucking way.
Leave no one behind.
Holy fuck, I broke my leg. That would have been a nice rotate.
Keep the pressure on.
Who you trying to challenge, bro?
Oh man, who's buying who? Andrew up. Oh my god! On the bridge wall.
Oh, fuck. Fucking in.
Fucking shit.
Almost.
You guys got music?
I don't know.
Bird Island. I try so hard. Smack the fuck up. We ain't got shit. Why my screen so blurry? I think I used something wrong. Yo, did you see the freaking Car 98? That motherfucker is nice.
What, they worse the card I did again?
Hmm?
The
Car 98.
The card 98?
Oh, that Car 98 is one shot in the 8. Anywhere in the 8. The throat, take
No,
one shot too. Like, no matter your full armor. Like, that motherfucker's like, boop! And you go down.
No, that's not true. I mean, the card 98.
Huh?
Hit them and then I will break.
Alright.
And then hit them down.
Hey, anybody want to snipe later? Huh? My favorite sniping.
Because your ass is on your back and that was on your face.
Yeah.
Oh.
Let's go. Oh, no, okay. Down one, let's go down one. Ah, fucking am I, you jumped already.
Alright, let's get it. Damn. He was running away from me and then got killed over there. Load out. Load out.
Friendly loadout drops on the way.
Oh, they're there.
Enemy SAM turret active.
Why you trying to push? Hey, hey, fuck! Getting right. Hello? Hey.
Ah, fuck. Third party, third party.
Man?
That is a third party here.
Oh, okay, man.
Yo!
Oh. Okay, man.
The guy
That
next-
bang.
Yep.
That.
All squad mates are in the safe zone. Enemy UAV online.
Oh, what? Sorry, guys, I'm on the phone right now. Commercially gun.
Gotta be shitting. How did I not hear him?
Oh! The fucking...
It's okay, man. Don't think about it.
Stay alive so your squad can redeploy. Your squad mate is redeploying. Enemy airstrike in the area.
Somebody's coming in here.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Yeah, people on the roof.
Oh my god. Yo, how the fuck? No way, bro.
Secure the supply box. Locating the marker.
How did I not hit that?
Oh. Oh, somebody's in the water. Oh, they thought they're gonna kill me. Oh shit, we're surrounded.
Your squad mate's back on station. Good work. Hostile UAV. 25 sharp out. Enemy UAV overhead.
Hey, stupid fuck.
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
All right,
Surgeon's timer reduced.
eh? Oh, okay, okay.
One remaining.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Yes, man. That was just camping.
UAV in the area.
Oh my gosh, I would have shit on them both.
Get you redeployed faster. Spike station pricing has been reduced. There's an increased payout for this job. Enemy UAV overhead. Your squad mates redeployed. Well done.
Still alive.
They're pushing you, they're pushing you.
They cannot find me. Or
Enemy dropping into the AO. Fire sales done. Prices are back to normal. Stay alive so your squad can redeploy.
oh, motherfucker. Yo, man. It's alright. Damn. Oh, you get kicked out or something?
I got blacked out.
Oh, okay.
Oh, funny. I got deaf air.
Which of you guys use Aki? That's why I got kicked out.
What the? Nobody. No, I think I'm a PS4 with PS5, that's why.
Zero record. Loading.
I wonder why. We combine 5.4, it's Akapul.
Oh, that sniper. You're the one who playing that sniper, and I thought he's somebody else. Yeah, that fucking sniper is a beast right now. With the SMG MW3 too. Oh shit, Pungerland.
Yeah, go
Oh,
down come manufacturing.
alright. I mean, how many mark we're doing? Oh, that's a nuke down shipping.
What? Why is my cat
What the
disgusting?
fuck? That's crazy, that guy.
Reinforcements inbound.
Oh, what the fuck is this? What?
Damn.
Yo, bro. Ah, what the fuck going on? Behind you. Damn.
Almost had him.
I mean, you got it.
Fucking boyfriend didn't come in.
Enemy counter UAV inbound.
Oh, that they're still hot.
Your squad mates.
No. There's two people inside here.
Wala. No, there's two, bro. They got their loadie and shit.
Oh fuck, I downed one. I don't know why the fuck my slide's not working.
Oh, they're coming to you. Yeah.
You're redeploying.
Late.
Tell them to go away, not come to me.
Your squad mates back on station. Good work.
I mean, we still can kill them. They ain't that really strong. I hear somebody's here. What the fuck, bro? I always get ganked the fuck up.
You've got a loadout.
Oh, this one on the loadout. Fuck.
Enemy counter UAV inbound.
Don't come to the loadout. That was quick, man. Damn it. Yeah, we see it got me.
Oh, they're fighting against each other. They're fighting against each other.
Down. Marking the rest of them.
Damn, that bitch still watching the load out. Fuck. Okay, one more try.
The squad mate's back on station. Good. Squad mate left the AO. Will reduce your redeployment time. Leave no one behind.
Fucking holding hands, bro.
Their hard drive has critical upload data at the location marked on your tag map. You have reinforcements inbound. Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy UAV overhead.
Yo, I'm still on my hop off. Oh no.
Let me buy you.
No rush, bro. You can just play you, bro.
No way.
Dude, there's nowhere to land, bro. It's too hot. Bro.
You good?
Hit that buy, purple.
It's alright, bro. It's good.
Hey, GG's, KFC?
GG, alright, GG, my man.
GG. Tomorrow.
Yes, sir.